Got a cruise coming up? Before you even start packing, there are a few things you need to take care of. Getting any of these wrong could cost you time, money, or even ruin your trip. Let's go through them and make sure your cruise starts smoothly and stress-free. 1. Check your passport expiration. Before you do anything else, make sure your passport is valid. Many cruise lines won't let you board if your passport has expired, or if it's set to expire within the next 6 months. The same goes for green cards or other travel documents. You need to make sure they're up to date. If you find out your passport or green card has expired, start the renewal process right away. Expedited processing is an option, but it can still take time, so don't wait until the last minute. If you can't get it renewed in time, you might have to reschedule your cruise. Make your embarkation day faster and smoother by completing your online check-in ahead of time. Most cruise lines allow you to check in a few weeks before you're sailing. Checking in early also lets you reserve your embarkation time slot, so you can avoid long lines and start your vacation stress-free. Sign up for cruise notification. Sign up for cruise notifications to get timely text message updates about any changes to your embarkation time or other important details. This is especially helpful during hurricane season or whenever delays are possible. You definitely don't want to show up at the port only to find your cruise has been delayed. With these alerts, you'll always know what's happening and can plan accordingly. 4. Download the cruise app. Before you even step on the ship, make sure to download your cruise line's app. Most cruise apps let you book restaurants and activities, check the daily schedule, and even send free texts while on board. Some cruise lines let you make reservations before you sail, while others only allow it once you're on the ship. Either way, downloading the app early gives you a head start. Popular activities can sell out quickly, so the earlier you book, the better your chances of securing your top choices. Don't waste your first day on the ship downloading the app. Have it ready before you board. 5. Buy cruise extras. Booking cruise extras before you board can save you a significant amount of money. This includes beverage packages, specialty dining, Wi-Fi, laundry services, and VIP passes. Cruise lines often offer early bird discounts when you buy these extras ahead of time on the cruise line's website. For example, on Royal Caribbean and Celebrity, flash sales can save you up to 35%. And if a better deal comes along, you can usually cancel and rebook at the lower price. If you want the cruise VIP packages, you need to buy them ahead of time. Carnival's Faster to the Fun, Royal Caribbean's The Key, and Norwegian's Priority Access provide priority boarding, faster tender boat access, and direct guest service. Buying these extras online before your cruise means less stress, more convenience, and more savings, so you can start enjoying your vacation from day one. 6. Book shore excursions. One of the smartest things you can do before boarding is book your shore excursions early. The most popular tours tend to sell out fast, so reserving ahead ensures you get your first choice. Do a little research and compare prices. Sometimes independent tour operators are cheaper than the cruise line, but keep in mind that booking through the cruise guarantees you won't miss the ship if a tour runs late. Booking early also often means better prices on cruise-sponsored excursions, since many cruise lines offer discounts when you reserve ahead of time. Planning your shore excursions in advance lets you lock in your top choices and avoid stress once you're on board. 7. Check travel advisory. Before you go, don't forget to check the travel advisories for the ports you'll be visiting. Not all cruise destinations are safe, and conditions can change. For example, the U.S. Department of State recently upgraded the travel advisory levels for popular cruise ports like the Bahamas and Jamaica. Checking travel advisories ahead of time helps you prepare, take necessary precautions, and enjoy your cruise safely. 8. Print luggage tags. Printing your luggage tags before your cruise is a must. These tags are what allow porters to quickly check in your bags and get them to your cabin. Without them, you could face delays and unnecessary stress right at the start of your vacation. Always print your tags ahead of time and attach them securely to each bag. It's also a good idea to print a few extra tags, just in case one gets damaged or lost. And remember, always keep important medications and travel documents in your carry-on, not in your checked luggage. 9. Book your hotel and transfer. Flying in on the day of your cruise is one of the riskiest moves you can make. Delays happen, planes get delayed or canceled, traffic to the port can be unpredictable, and even a small hiccup could make you miss your ship. To avoid that nightmare, plan to arrive at least a day early and stay at a hotel near the cruise port. When choosing a hotel, ask if they offer shuttle service or transfers to the port. Many hotels near cruise ports have partnerships with shuttle services. If your hotel doesn't provide transportation, you can book a private transfer. This is often faster and more reliable than relying on taxis or rideshares like Uber or Lyft, especially on embarkation day when many cruise passengers are trying to get to the port at the same time. Arriving a day early is a great chance to start your vacation a little early, enjoy a nice dinner near the port, and relax before the cruise officially begins. 10. Download ebooks, games, and movies before your cruise. One smart move before your cruise is to download ebooks, movies, and games at home, especially if you're traveling with kids. Cruise Wi-Fi is often limited and expensive, and the onboard TV options for kids are usually not great. By downloading your favorite shows, movies, and games in advance, you and your kids will have plenty of entertainment at your fingertips, and you won't have to spend extra money on cruise Wi-Fi. 11th. Shareholder benefits. If you own shares in the cruise line you're sailing with, you could qualify for free onboard credit, essentially free spending money to use during your cruise. The amount varies by cruise line and the length of your trip, ranging from $50 to $250 per stateroom. And in some cases, like world cruises, it can go up to $1,000. For example, Norwegian Cruise Line offers $50 to $250 per stateroom for shareholders who own at least 100 shares and request the credit at least 15 days before sailing. Carnival Cruise Line provides a similar benefit, giving $50 to $250 in onboard credit for shareholders who own at least 100 shares and submit their request at least 14 days before departure. This also applies to other lines owned by Carnival, including Princess Cruise, Holland America, Seabourn, and Costa Cruises. It's important to plan ahead so you can request your credit in time. This won't happen automatically, and if you're not already a shareholder, you can actually purchase shares before your cruise to take advantage of this perk. Once approved, the onboard credit can be used for drinks, specialty dining, shore excursions, spa treatments, or shopping. That's free money just by being a cruise shareholder. 12th. Minor consent forms. If you're traveling with a minor without their parents, you'll need to fill out a minor travel consent form. For example, if you're cruising with your grandchild without the parents, this form is required. Most cruise lines require the form to be notarized, and you can usually find it on the cruise line's website. Make sure to handle this well in advance so you have plenty of time to get it completed. Waiting until the last minute could create unnecessary stress. 13. Start planning what to pack. Start thinking about what to pack as early as possible. Packing for a cruise is different from a regular vacation because you might be visiting destinations with varying weather and temperatures. Planning ahead also gives you time to buy anything you might be missing. This helps you avoid paying high prices at the cruise ship's gift shop for basic items you forgot to bring. Early planning ensures you're prepared, comfortable, and ready to enjoy your cruise from day one. Get your free cruise packing list. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned traveler, this one-page checklist makes sure you never forget the essentials. Download my free cruise packing list printable. Link in the description below. Are you on the fence about buying the cruise beverage package? It could be a big waste of money. In my next video, I'll share 9 reasons why it's not worth it, and how you can still enjoy drinks without overspending. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe for more cruise and vacation videos like this. Thanks for watching.